How to link Onepay to Spark. Open the Spark Driver app on your phone and log into your driver account. Tap the menu and go to the Earnings section to manage payment settings. Select the Earnings account or payment method option from the list. Choose the option to apply for Onepay Cash to begin linking. Read the details about Onepay and confirm you want to continue. Enter your registered phone number or email address for verification. Check your messages and enter the verification code correctly. Review your personal details shown on the screen carefully. Edit or confirm the information so it matches your Spark profile. Agree to the Onepay terms and conditions to move forward. Create a Onepay Cash account if you do not already have one. Wait while Spark completes the connection with Onepay. Return to Earnings and confirm Onepay is active for receiving payments. Thank you for watching.